Every so often, you need a way to record project progress quickly, and minute detail isn't important. Perhaps your project was put on hold for a few months and you want to reschedule all the unfinished work when the ball starts rolling again. Project has an easy way to reschedule unfinished work so you can pick up where you left off. Or, as a last resort, you can also tell Project to bring your file up to date as if everything happened just the way you planned. You can tell Project the date to resume work and let it reschedule all the work that isn't complete. With a task-oriented view like the Gantt chart displayed, click the Project tab. Then, click Update Project. In the Update Project dialog box, select the Reschedule Uncompleted Work to Start After option. And then, in the box, choose the date when work should restart. March 31st, 2011 in this example. Leave the entire project option selected and click OK. Tasks that were in progress restart on March 31st. If we go and look at the Finalize Lease task, I'll go to the Task tab and click Scroll to Tasks so we can see this. And you can see that a split is now in the tasks so that the uncompleted work has moved to March 31st. Any tasks that haven't started but were scheduled to start before March 31st are now set to start on March 31st instead. And of course, any successors linked to these tasks move forward in time so that they still follow their predecessors. When you do this, look over your schedule carefully for edits you might have to make. For example, manually scheduled tasks or tasks with date constraints will need to be changed manually. And you may want to save a new baseline, which you learned about in an earlier movie. On the other hand, if your project is mostly on track and you don't need accurate numbers to get paid, an automatic progress update can get you up to date quickly. For this update, let's open the Office Move On Track file. Click the File tab and click Open. Then double-click Office Move On Track. To update specific tasks, select them first. For example, starting at the beginning of the project, we can scroll down and shift-click Task ID 24 to select everything up through Planning Complete. Notice that the milestone is scheduled to finish on March 11th. Now on the Project tab, click Update Project. In the Update Project dialog box, make sure Update Work as Complete Through is selected. And in the Date box, choose the status date for updating. Let's make it March 1st of 2011. Project automatically updates tasks scheduled to start before that date. But what about tasks that start before the cutoff date or finish after? To update tasks as partially complete, select the Set 0% to 100% Complete option. This option tells Project to update completion based on how much of the task should be done by the cutoff date. On the other hand, if you select the Set 0% or 100% Complete Only option, Project updates only tasks that should have been 100% complete before the cutoff date. Because we selected tasks, be sure to select the Selected Tasks option. Then click OK, and Project updates the selected tasks. You can see that all the tasks that finish before March 1st are set to 100%, but Finalize Lease, which finishes on March 4th, is at 70%. However, the milestone Planning Complete is still set to finish on March 11th. Project offers a few shortcuts for updating your project progress. These shortcuts don't provide accurate values of where your project stands, so you don't want to use them if you rely on numbers in Project for billing customers or paying contractors. However, the Update Project command does get your tasks updated quickly, so you can go back to managing your project and tracking progress accurately once more.